had never visited Africa as a continent, so I thought it would be a great experience. And one thing I really like about this trip is that we actually get to talk to not only to nurses but with patients as well. So when we talk to patients, they will explain why and how this healthcare system is helping them.
Very insightful and really unique, because when else in the time that you have in your career do you have access to live nursing where people are like engaged in the community. Nurses are working to take care of not just the patients but their workers, starting to have a business and be entrepreneurs and having that journey, and being able to support them and be part of that journey with them has been very special.
I'd like to thank on behalf of everyone, the Unjani NPC team, which is led by Linda, Sue and the rest of their staff, to give us this wonderful experience to witness South Africa from a different lens. And this is definitely something that we'll bring back to France and also wherever we end up in the world.